Right to our top story at 5 o'clock. Testimony in a Title IX lawsuit against Baylor University in a Waco federal courtroom today got into the specifics of a troubled relationship. Former student Dolores Lozano accusing former Baylor running back Devin Chafin of domestic abuse and says Baylor didn't do enough to stop it.
Now, Lozano was a part of a lawsuit filed back in 2016 involving 15 other women accusing the university of neglecting them after they were sexually assaulted by football players and other students. They've settled most of those lawsuits out of court, but have not settled this case. Well, the doctor who treated Dolores took the stand today and answered questions about her history before, during, and after the alleged assault. The doctor told the jury from 2012 to 2015, Dolores and Chafin had a rocky relationship. She mentioned how in 2014, Dolores was pregnant. When she told Chafin about the pregnancy, the doctor says that's when Chafin began striking Dolores, then eventually pushed her to the ground and began kicking her in the stomach. She also said Dolores got an abortion not long after the alleged assault, but she also began dating Chafin again. However, she testified that this is common for domestic violence victims. The lawsuit is alleging that Baylor failed to have a proper system in place to have her report the abuse. This case was all part of the 2015 Baylor sexual assault scandal that ended in the termination of head football coach Art Briles and the eventual resignation of Baylor president Ken Starr. Of course, we'll have more information coming up in our 6 o'clock newscast.